Belina me ke aloha, it's Kumu Maile na coming to you from Ka Hale Hoaka on the island of Molokai. Our manaʻo Monday ʻōlelo no eau is I hoʻokahi, kahi ke aloha. E hoʻopili mai, say it with me. I hoʻokahi, kahi ke aloha. And it translates to be of one love. Now when people come together, we reciprocate aloha, love with each other, then peace comes forth. Love is a two-way thing, whether it's between each other, between our ʻāina, between our kupuna. Yeah, it's very important that we root ourselves in aloha so we can move forward. Hāʻoia, be of one love. Our hoʻoʻlelo or Hawaiian word for the day is Hōʻailona. E hoʻopili mai, say it with me. Hōʻailona. Hōʻailona means an omen or a sign. So we have to recognize there's a lot of Hōʻailona in nature that can tell us, oh, the weather's about to change. Like we see the Eva birds coming in when the storms are coming, or we see the Portuguese man of war coming in when it's kona winds. Yeah, so there's those types of Hōʻailona in nature. But there's also more spiritual types of Hōʻailona that we pay attention to, and they can guide us in the right direction if we pay close attention. So let's say that word again, Hōʻailona. Mai ka ino.